Hello, friends. It's Victoria. Welcome in. Thank you for stopping by. Today, Coach had another drop. They are dropping bags every month. It is exhausting, but here we are. Today, they had another drop, and this drop, from everything I was seeing, I only wanted one bag. I am very proud of myself that that's what I got. It's one bag and a couple of bag charms. So I was going in to get the Evelyn and the Ruin charm and the heart charm. Those were the three things I knew for sure I wanted. I had asked them though to hold um, a carry bag for me, the pink carry. I wasn't. I was about 70% sure maybe I'll get it. I wanted to see it in person. I love the carry bag. I have it in the blue denim, and I wasn't sure, but they were holding that, and that was all I was interested in. I did see the straw bags, the tote bags, all the bags. Coach dropped so many bags this month. Um, Again, it's and they're okay. I'm gonna tell you, Rand coming. I was in the store, and when I got to the store, I was falling in love with some of the items that I didn't think I would like, or that I didn't have a feeling about one way or another. And then when I saw it in person, it looked pretty good, and I was impressed with it, the quality, the look of it, the feel of it. But it just seems like every month we're getting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 new bags. It's a lot. It's not a bad thing. It's a lot though. It is overwhelming. So again, today I went in. I had a mission. I was gonna just get the one and get out of there. So I did do a little vlog, just walk through the store, and I have that on my channel. If you have a second, sneak a peek at it, see what you think. So yeah, so what I got is in here. I already told you what I was gonna get. One thing was a surprise to me. I did not know that there was gonna be a lipstick um, charm holder thing. I think it's a lipstick holder. So that was a nice surprise. Last evening when I was on TikTok, I came across a video and they showed this lipstick holder, and I was like, oh my gosh. I literally just ordered one from Marc Jacobs. That is coming. It's supposed to come today. There's some kind of delay, but that one is coming. It's really nice. When I get that, I'll do a quick reveal and show you. It is fabulous. The one from Marc Jacobs, it's pink, it's leather, it's pink, and it's silver and pink. um I'll show you when it comes. It's really nice. I love that one. And I ordered that. That is coming. So, of course, I did not know Coach was releasing something similar until last night when I was on TikTok and saw that. And I quickly texted my essay and said, I just saw this pink, I just saw this lipstick holder. Are you guys getting those? And if you are, put one aside for me, please. Anyway, so that was a surprise. I obviously was not expecting to get that, but I did get that one today. When I saw it, I liked it. So let me show you. I've been doing way too much talking. Let me just show you the bag and the stuff I got. Okay, so this is what they held for me. What this bag looks like. They have put the carry bag aside for me, the larger one. But when I had it alongside this one, I don't know. Something about the pink denim. I don't know if I want too many of the pink denim. Of course, I got a million blue denim. But something about the pink denim, I don't know. I did not want another denim this color, if that makes sense. I don't know why. It's oh, what I was gonna get, but my store didn't get it. If they had that in the store, I would have gotten it. Is the mini faye in this. If they had that, I was gonna get it. 100% sure. But my store didn't get it. They may get it, and if they do, they're gonna let me know, and I'll go grab me one. But so this is the Evelyn. Y'all, she is so pretty. She's so gorgeous. Oh, I love this bag so much. Oh, she's so pretty. I like this quilted denim here. So the Evelyn, I don't know what took me so long to get this bag. It's super nice. I love that she's got a top zip. So let's open her up and see. Oh, this bag is so pretty, friends. So pretty. It's the story patch on one side. And then she's got two pockets on this side. They're just like slip pockets. There's no zip pocket inside, but I like that. It's just one open compartment. I love it. Oh, she's so pretty. And, oh yeah, see, I love this chain. She's got the little C charm hanging off her here. It's just so cute. I love this bag. You can't cinch her too much. Oh my gosh, she's stunning. She is stunning. Ooh. Yeah, this was a great choice. I love this bag. And then on the bottom, she's got a strip of leather to give it some structure. I love that. I love this bag. I love this bag. OMG. She is nice. Super nice. Whew. Yeah, she's a decent size too. Y'all know I love big, oversized bags. That she is not. She's not big. She's not oversized. She is just right. She's pretty. Okay, so that's my Evelyn. Let me show you the two other little things I got. I wanted this Rowan charm. So I got the Rowan charm. These things are so cute. And they're functional, these Rowan charms. So, she's so pretty. I can fit not only my AirPods, but hand sanitizers. I can put lipstick in here, lip gloss, all of it together with my AirPods, and I can fit a few things in here. I have seen people try to make it into a little bag. But yeah, she's so cute. So you got that. And then the thing that I hadn't planned on until last night is this lipstick holder. This thing is adorable. So like I said, I ordered the one from Marc Jacobs, so that one's coming. And this is the Coach one. I don't know what's in it. Yeah, it's cute. It's adorable. I am going to love this. This came in 3 colors. This came in this pink, of course, this powder pink. And then it came in a black. And then it also came in a signature. You know, the Coach signature C's. That one was adorable. I was going to buy that one too. I was kind of, I don't know. So, but I really wanted this. I want this. This is going to go with on my Evelyn. So let's see. Oh, this is so cool. Let me try her on here. Ugh. Sometimes these long nails are painful. Let me show you. Look, isn't she pretty? There. She's adorable. Or, I was thinking, she can go right on here. On this little D-ring thing. Trying to do something with one hand. It's a little hard to do. But, yeah, I'm thinking I might put her. Sorry, guys. Oh, here we go. Yes. Isn't she pretty on there? That lipstick. Charm. Holder thing. This is so cute. Super cute. Super adorable. And that's my unboxing, unbagging. If you have time, why don't you check out the walkthrough I did today in the store when I was looking at, when I went to get this bag. Yeah, I showed you some of the other bags that they released today. And yeah, so this is it, my friends. Did you get anything from this drop? If so, what you get, let me know in the comments. And are you a little bit feeling like I am lately, a little fatigued from all the drops that Coach is coming up with, both retail and outlet? Yeah, it's a little exhausting. That's all I'm saying. But I love the bags, and we all love Coach, friends. It's not complaints, it's just, it's overstimulation. How about if I say it that way? Yeah, it is quite, it's exhausting. And that is it. This is my drop day acquisition. The Denim Evelyn and the Rowan Charm and my lipstick charm holder thing. And that is it, friends. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, come back and see me soon, friends. Okay, all right, thank you. Bye bye now.